So this lens right here was $350, you're saying?
While at the NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Knoxville, Tennessee, I found this 1931 Graham Model 54 built in Detroit, Michigan. Let's take a closer look at it, shall we?
It was flat, okay.
It was flat, and this was pot metal
Sun visor was
on
flat,
both,
okay.
and this was pot metal on the sides that held it.
Yeah,
Well, both of them were broken,
okay.
so I had to take a 1/4 inch brown stock and make a sun visor. And when I made it, I put the point on it to match the point on the roof.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Engine, no transmission.
Okay.
So I had to choose a drivetrain for it, and I had a '86 Ford Crown Vic,
Okay.
and I took the engine out of that and implanted it in a Graham.
Okay.
So now I can drive it 70 and 80 miles an hour up the road very comfortable.
That's a great idea. I mean, you bring the modern, the fuel injection and everything.
And I
And
put rack and pinion steering, power disc brakes.
okay. Outside, sorry, I'm looking inside there.
No, that's right.
I literally said fuel injection, but I do see the carburetor.
I took the fuel injection off.
There we go. Yeah.
The carburetor.
You did it right, yes, sir. Just saying you couldn't get carpet for this because you it was during COVID. I'm sorry.
Right.
Yeah.
So you couldn't buy automotive carpeting,
Okay.
so I had to buy indoor, outdoor carpet.
Oh wow. Okay, indoor outdoor carpet. And you guys said you bought it here
Yes.
in Knoxville,
Yes.
and
Right here at this show.
about four years, right?
Yeah, we've had it 5 years now.
5 years. Okay. And just for people watching the video here, very rare. And your wife was saying you've seen 4 of them total. Like this is number 4, right?
This is the fourth one I've seen, and I've been doing cars for 35 years.
And it's as nice as they come, folks. I mean, this thing is exquisite. And I mean, we all appreciate Camaros and Mustangs and whatnot, but I've never personally seen or heard of one of these. So the fact that this is even exists, I see the little bumps there, yeah.
That's off the 2013 Dodge Caravan.
And you said it was out of the axle was a what, 86, 80?
86 Dodge Diplomat.
Dodge Diplomat down there. Really appreciate you taking the time to put this thing back together. I mean, it's immaculate. It's really, really well done. And this is the symbol, the Graham,
Yes.
the 3 brothers.
The 3 brothers.
So this lens right here was $350, you're saying? I'd imagine those are fairly rare.
Fairly.
Fairly. It's a little bit. Do they have reproductions though?
No.
No reproduction. Wow.
There's no reproduction anything on this car.
Well, because of the screen and whatnot, but that's this piece here now. Oh yeah, okay, right there.
I spent days polishing that metal to make it smooth and straight.
Yeah. So that's the actual luggage rack,
That's
which for
this area of the luggage.
yeah, the
rack.
entire thing here. Okay.
Spending time with the owner and chatting through all of the restoration details gave me an even greater appreciation for just how much work people put into these cars. Bravo to you, sir, for saving this rare machine.